Yes, boys, welcome back to another trade recap. Today is Tuesday, the 7th of July 2026. We do two trades, two break evens again. Yeah, today was painful, man. Really was painful. But what can you do about it? What can you do about it? I follow my rules, and that's all that matters. So, yeah. Coming in to the day, I was bearish. Bearish. Why was I bearish? Reason I was bearish, as you can see, since last night, we have literally just dumped, disrespecting these 4-hour fair value gaps. Just dumped, and we just got this nice high time frame, low resistance liquidity all here. So I just thought we'd want to continue all the way down to this. So yeah, that is literally it. Also, yes, did sweep previous day high and NQ didn't. So that means we had an SMT, and yeah, we're just disrespecting bullish, respecting bearish, and yeah, it was just easy. And this kind of like set up my bias. We did have this bullish 1 hour SMT here, and all this bullish 1 hour SMT did was send us into this 1 hour fair value gap just to send us back lower, which shows we're bearish because the SMT's literally just helped the bearishness. It pushed us up into the 1 hour just to send us back down. So yeah, I was very bearish. I mean, yeah, I just wanted to see short. But I did have like a condition if we did end up, seeing some bullish structure, then long to this unfilled 4 hour would have been perfect. But no, I was pretty confident on bearish. But you have to adapt, and there was no reason to adapt today. We were very bearish. But like I said, if we got some good structure, then I'd look for longs. But coming into today, I wanted this. I wanted to see shorts from this 15-minute fair value gap here. I wanted to see manipulation and then shorts. I wanted to see a little patty swing, which we did get, but I just didn't really like the structure. So yeah, market open, we tapped into this 15-minute fair value gap straight away. Kind of chopped around. Did get a 30-second inverse, like here. Obviously, I don't have the 30-second time frame. Not a bad trade, but this structure's just a bit buns, and you've always got to take account, look at ES, and ES had equalise, and also I just wanted to fan. We were respecting this 5-minute gap though, so it was not a bad trade at all, but I just didn't like it. I wanted to see, a continuation or something. Let me just delete all this shit. So yeah, there we go. We were still very bearish, and I was still looking like these lows just look super clean. And yeah, this was I did end up actually taking this. It's not not the usual strategy. This was more discretionary, but it was nice. Like, I'm not mad with this trade. Definitely worth the shot. Definitely, yeah, more discretionary. But I'm trying to be more discretionary, and I've been taking a lot of discretionary trades, and yeah, been playing out or break. I've not really been losing anyway. But yeah, I was, like I said, still very bearish, and we had this 1 minute fair value gap here. It was the highest time frame fair value gap. We had no 5 minute, we had no 4 minute, we had no 3 minute, we had no 2 minute, we had no 1 minute. So I was like, realistically, like, if we can tap into this 1 minute fair value gap and get a nice inverse, I'm in here. Ideally, I would have rather tapped this rejection block, but we do get that in a minute. So yeah, I was like, if we get the inverse, I'm in this, but I will wait and see if we get the rejection block. And what I did take account is we were opening this 5 minute fair value gap in I got in here, so there's a 30-second inverse, got in here. I got in a bit earlier. I did take an account that we have got this 5 minute opening up in literally 2 minutes. So on this, I just went break even, literally at this internal low. Went break even super early. I either wanted to see us just flush down and hit my TP or be break even. And yeah, we got break even, but very nice trade to take. We also had an SMT, NQ, tapped into this 1 minute, ES didn't. Just, yeah, really nice trade. Definitely worth taking. Good discretion from me. And yeah, quick break even, I do not mind it. And yeah, we went on to the next trade. And this set up for an even better setup, because now we've got the 5 minute fair value gap. So let's just mark all these out. So yeah, now we've got this. Have I not got it? Oh, I would delete it, yeah. So now I've got this 5 minute fair value gap, which we did end up inversing. I did want to see, ideally I wanted to tap into 5 minute and tap into this rejection block. And also, we're also in equilibrium perfect here. But we did end up inversing the 5 minute, but I do not care. I was still very bearish. Just because we got the 5 minute inverse doesn't mean I'm bullish all of a sudden. And yeah, what was it now? So we tapped this rejection block. ES was still holding this 5 minutes, both in spots of distribution. And there was a little 30-second here. So I just wanted the 30-second get inversed. It was, they did take quite a few candles, but my trade wasn't based off this 30-second. It was based off this 1 minute CISD. So I got in off this 1 minute CISD plus a 30-second inverse here. So I got 1 minute CISD, 30-second inverse. Let me just remove this for now. And break even was here. And yes, also had this nice structure. So yeah, really nice trade. And then bang, we got this SMT and we held this 1 minute fair value gap. So super confident now in this going lower. But what I did here, which was stupid for me, just because we were in drawdown and, you know, got a little bit anxious, I ended up moving my break even to here. So now I was break even. And as you can see, bang, got stopped out at break even. This was stupid for me. I should not have gone break even here. I should have just kept my break even where it was. There was no reason to go break even here. This break even here was perfectly fine. So yeah, this was the only mistake from today. My emotions got the better of me. It's just a stupid break even. So yeah, learn from this anyway. And yeah, I shouldn't have gone break even. And I was so close to re-entering here because I was like, why have I just gone break even? And I was so happy that this ended up hitting my break even, because I mean, would I have gone break even? Would I have waited for a candle close? No, I think I would have gone break even. But either way, it's a break even trade. As you can see, even if I didn't go break even here, we would have got break even here. But yeah, as you can see, runs to TP, and I was actually thinking of holding this down to here, and it would have played out for nearly a 3RR. Well, it is right. So 2 break evens, 3 break evens yesterday, 5 break evens in the past 2 days. Well, 2 break evens yesterday because one of them was a re-entry, just because whatever. But yeah, 4 break evens in 2 days. Crazy. And I've had, yesterday I this close to hitting TP, and then today I hit break even and went to TP. So it's just absolute pain, but it is what it is. Move on, follow my rules, and that's all that matters. And I'm off, and now I'm gonna hit a naughty back and buy sesh. But yeah, that is it for this video. Make sure you join the Discord, first link in the bio. Follow all my socials, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, just follow them all. Make sure you join the Discord, boys. I'm posting my trades in there instantly. And yeah, no more 25% at Alpha Futures. It is back to 10%. But if you still are looking to cop any accounts, code SMG for 10% off. And yeah, boys, I might be back tomorrow if I take a trade. If not, I'll see you in the next trade recap or next video. I might going to try to get some different type of videos out, not just trade recaps, back testing, psychology vids, and all that business. But yeah, I'm waffling now. In a bit, boys.